Life is crazy busy.
What time's practice?
Just give me a minute because I can't check my phone.
And keeping track of everything on our weekly schedules can be challenging.
Ella asked me if I could go over to her house tomorrow.
Between calendars and messages on our phones and handwritten notes, our family needed a better solution to bring more organization to our lives. Our product was born when my wife was done being the keeper of all things. Whenever a question came up,
Are you or Sophie's mom picking me up for dance tonight?
one of us would have to interrupt what we were doing, pull out our phones, and dig around to get the answer. We needed a physical schedule that everyone had equal access to, but we didn't like any of the products on the market. They were either too small, had to be nailed to the wall, or just too big. My wife even bought a roll of dry erase paper and made a custom version, but every week she'd have to redraw the whole thing. What we needed was a quality whiteboard planner with a better design than anything else on the market. So we made one. Introducing Schedwall, the whiteboard weekly planner with the perfect combination of brains, looks, and heart. We partnered with a team of experts to design and prototype samples that we tested with a wide range of users who gave us feedback that we incorporated into our final product. So many dry erase products leave a ghost and ugly smudges behind. Not ours. We didn't stop until we found the ultimate whiteboard material with a surface that's a dream to clean and stays white. Applying it to the wall is easy, and it's removable, so it won't leave an adhesive residue behind. Anchor the week with an inspiring quote to help break up the day-to-day. Maybe an idea to guide you, or something with a little humor. The weekday bricks are used to capture everything that's going on. The to-do bricks are a place to capture tasks that need to be taken care of. The menu bricks help you strategize your meal planning for the week. Best of all, it'll ensure that no one ever asks that soul-sucking question.
What's for dinner?
And we all need more reminders to take a moment and feel gratitude, so we included a brick on the wall to help you capture an accomplishment or something worth celebrating. You can also use Schedwall to track your weekly workouts, plan your routines, mark your progress, and celebrate milestones. With Schedwall's refined design, this piece will look great on any wall. With your support, we'll be able to print these locally with our trusted manufacturing partner. Help us spread the word. Share this with friends and family you know will love this product. Schedwall is the ultimate shared doc, the wall planner with the right combination of brains, looks, and heart. How do we know it'll make your life better? The writing's on the wall.